Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to lock apps in Samsung without any app. Let's begin. If you want to keep certain apps private on your Samsung device without installing any third-party apps, Samsung provides a built-in feature to help you. So, in order to lock apps in Samsung without any app, first of all, unlock your phone and go to the Settings menu. Scroll down and find the option called Security and Privacy. Inside this section, you will see a feature called Secure Folder. Tap on Secure Folder and set it up using your Samsung account if you haven't already. During setup, you will be asked to create a lock type such as PIN, password, pattern, or even biometric authentication like fingerprint or face unlock. Once your Secure Folder is ready, you can add apps to it. Simply open the Secure Folder, tap on the plus Add Apps option, and select the apps you want to lock. These apps will now only be accessible inside the Secure Folder and require authentication each time you want to open them. Another option available in the latest Samsung phones is the App Lock with Privacy Dashboard, found in some One UI 6 Plus versions. For this, go to Settings to get Security and Privacy, Privacy Dashboard, App Lock. Enable the feature and set your preferred lock type. From here, you can directly choose the apps you want to lock without moving them to Secure Folder. This method ensures your sensitive apps like WhatsApp, gallery, or banking apps remain secure without needing to download any third-party application. It's safe, fast, and completely built into your Samsung device. And that's it. So that's basically how you can lock apps in Samsung without any app. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.